Hey guys, welcome back. So now here we are in automatic payment program. So we have seen multiple things, right? Now, sometime what happened, guys, during interview. So sometimes people ask that can we post a down payment through automatic payment program, right? And if yes, then what is the difference between posting the down payment by APP and posting the down payment by normal transaction code? Some of you might be knowing. So anybody can anybody having any idea related to this? The difference between posting the down payment through APP and posting the down payment through normal transaction code? Okay, so we'll do one thing, guys. The question is still remain, right? And down payment I have already explained in the previous session, right? How to post a down payment. It is pretty simple. Now down payment through automatic payment program that I'm going to explain now. So once again, at the end of the session, I'll ask this question. So let me start here. Okay, so guys, now till now what we have done or what we have seen, we have seen through APP multiple invoices are there, right? Some of the invoices are overdue. Okay, so this is called status. Okay, so generally what happened, guys, when we run automatic payment program, right? So we have done lots of configurations. Based on our configurations, and then after even we specify certain criteria when we run this automatic payment program by which transaction code, guys? F110, by this transaction code. So if you run this dunning program, I mean to say automatic payment program, dunning is a different topic, will be explained later in upcoming session. Okay. Now, so when we run this automatic payment program, guys, what happened? System is not going to select all the invoices. Whereas if you post the payment manually, the system is going to propose all the line item. System is going to propose all the line item. Now, user is going to decide manually the payment is going to be released against which invoice. That is going to be decided by users. Here in automatic payment program, what is happening, guys? System is going to select the due and overdue invoices. Whatever due and overdue invoices are there, that will be selected by system. Based on what, guys? So when we run this automatic payment program, right? So there'll be a field called additional log. In additional log, we are having certain check boxes, right? So in these check boxes, we are going to apply a check mark, right? So based on that, what is happening, guys? System is going to check the due date, payment methods, etc. So here, system is going to select the due dates. System is going to check the due dates, and based on that, whatever due and overdue invoices are there, that will be selected by system for the payment. So here, against this invoice, a payment is going to be posted. So for system, this invoice is going to work as input. System got input. Based on that, the output is payment posting. This is what is happening, right? Now, so guys, during APP, how system is going to select the invoices? So system is already having inputs, right? Now, the major challenge for down payment, and that too through APP, is how SAP will come to know that, let's suppose we are having multiple vendors. Against every vendor, certain open items are there. So against every vendor, certain open item is there, right? Now, so based on what is happening, guys, so these are the invoices. Based on the due dates, in the sense if the invoice become due, it's going to be selected by system. So let's suppose these all invoices are due or overdue. So system is going to select all the vendor for payment posting. But at the time of down payment posting, if you have to post a down payment, so for down payment, how SAP will come to know that we have to post a down payment for this vendor, right? SAP is not having any brain, guys, right? So what is happening for invoices? SAP is having these invoices are going to work as an input, and whichever due invoices are there against due or overdue invoices, against that output, in the sense payment is going to be posted. But for down payment, how you are going to notify a system that against this vendor, whatever the due and overdue invoices are there, the payment is supposed to be posted against those invoices, right? But at the same time, a down payment worth of 2000 also supposed to be sent. In the sense, a transaction must be posted, right? So guys, I'll tell you. So this SAP must be having, like SAP must get certain kind of notifications. Okay. So generally, I'll tell you guys why this, if you talk about down payment through automatic payment program. So why user prefer to post a down payment through automatic payment program, then here what happened, guys? Then we have post down payment. FTS 48, I think, is the transaction, right? We can select the vendor. The down payment is going to be posted against special yield indicator A. What is the role of this A, guys? So of course this special yield indicator is having a role, because whichever down payments are getting posted, guys, down payments are nothing but our assets. Those amounts also supposed to be posted somewhere separately. So that what is happening, guys, while preparing the financial statement, let's suppose if we are going to say that our total liability is a particular amount, 1 lakh, right? So at the same time, whatever down payment we have made, that must be reduced, right? So that is why what is happening, we are going to create a reconciliation account. Okay, that is going to be assigned against special yield indicator A. There could be one more thing, guys. Let's suppose, so here what happened, we are having two reconciliation accounts. So while assigning this down payment reconciliation account, so it means like one reconciliation account for manufacturing vendor, material vendor, and second one is for service vendor, right? Now, so even we can create a single down payment reconciliation account and can be linked against both normal reconciliation account for manufacturing and service. Okay, or we can have two different reconciliation account also for down payment. One is going to be assigned against this one, another one is going to be assigned against this one. But generally what happened, guys, people prefer to set up a single down payment account only, even though if the client is having multiple reconciliation account, vendor reconciliation account. Now, so these things we have already done in the previous session, right? We have posted the down payment already. So now here I said like, is it possible to run down payment, or is it possible to make down payment through automatic payment program? So yes, it is possible, right? But so the major challenge is, while posting the normal payment, system is going to take the reference of invoices, right? And those invoices, if invoices are due or overdue, those invoices are going to be selected for the payment. In case of down payment, what will happen, guys? There is no reference, right? So we have to notify the system. You have to inform the system that a down payment also must be posted against so vendor, right? So this is called down payment request. So a down payment request, it is also called noted item. So what happened, guys? We are going to generate a down payment request, right? So when we run this automatic payment program, this system is having input from both. For invoices, overdue invoices will be selected by system, right? And even for down payment also, once we have posted the request, down payment request, SAP will come to know that, okay, this down payment request means it is a request raised for a particular vendor to post the down payment I mean to say advance payment. So we'll do one thing. The vendor is server only. Now what happened, guys? Let's suppose this is the vendor. So for this vendor, this invoice is already overdue. So we have to make the payment, right? At the same time, we have to make the down payment also to this vendor so that vendor is going to deliver the materials. So how it is going to be, guys? First of all, what you have to do, we'll have to post a down payment request. Okay. So for APP, automatic payment program, look at here, FSOTC, a down payment request must be made. And here we have to give special GL indicator. So guys, this is a down payment request, right? It is also called noted item. What is this noted item, guys? So noted item is, it is generating a kind of notifications, right? When you run this automatic payment program, if the noted item is there, right? So this is how APP will come to know. Okay, the invoice got posted in the sense like, since we are having overdue invoices, so payment got posted. But there is a noted item. Noted item means even down payment request also will be there, so that also supposed to be posted. Okay. So when you post a down payment, what is the down payment special deal indicator, guys? That is A. So here, what is your target special GL indicator? Target special GL indicator is A. And present. So certain assignment is missing. Okay. Now generally what happens? I'll tell you. Okay. So when you post a down payment, right? That is going to be posted against special GL indicator A. When you post a down payment request, right? So how system will come to know that which one is down payment, which one is down payment request, right? So that system will come to know only with the help of special GL indicator. So for down payment, we are having A as a special GL indicator. For down payment request, we are having F as special GL indicator. So what we have to do? Go to OPYR, think, transaction code, and here payment request, down payment request, right? Double click, give here. So guys, now our reconciliation account is special deal indicator here. A special deal account means whatever down payment we have created, that is going to be assigned here. Let me check. That 1002. Save it. So against down payment request also, what is happening, guys? We have to assign the same GL amount. Okay. Now, so now here, what is our vendor account, guys? That is given, and target special GL indicator, right? So target GL is target special GL indicator is A only. Press enter, and any amount. Let's suppose 1,000. Okay. Better to. Okay. So okay, guys. Even we can make we can give a due date also. Okay. We can give a due date also. Why this due date is required, guys? In case of down payment, can someone tell me why due date is required? Down payment request. So generally, we are creating a notification, right? This is a noted item. So when you run automatic payment program, system will check this noted item, and against that, down payment is going to be posted. But if the noted item is not due, let's suppose the down payment is supposed to be posted, in the sense down payment is going to be made after 3 days. But today itself we have posted noted item. So you can keep a due date of later date, so that when the actual down payment is going to be made to the vendor on that date, it is going to be posted down payment request, right? Or else like down payment request got posted, but due date is different, right? And on that particular date, what is happening, guys? System is going to post the down payment. I'll just do one thing. So give a date here, DPR, right? Nothing else. Okay. Now, guys, there is one more thing. Look at here. Here, what is happening, guys? This down payment request, right? Is not a complete transaction. You save this. It is not going to update the GL balances. Or here, we'll do one thing. If you click on refresh, right? It is not appearing. Why? Because this is not a normal item. It is special item, right? So come down and select here noted item. Even you can select special real account also. Now look at here, guys. So the down payment of 1000 got posted. How a down payment request, actually it is not the actual down payment. Okay. So if you check the reconciliation account, the vendor reconciliation account, I mean to say the GL account which we have created, that particular GL will not be having any impact of this amount, right? Because this is not the actual transaction. We have just specify a kind of notifications, right? So that once we run this automatic payment program, system will take and system will come to know, okay, this is the invoice, right? But what is this? System will check this special real indicator. And based on that, SAP will be able to determine that, okay, this is a down payment request. It means SAP has post even a down payment also. Now, if you run APP for down payment, so what we have to take care? That is here you have to specify special real indicator and save it. Okay. So A is for down payment and F for down payment request, right? Hope you guys are able to understand the question which I have asked in the very first session. That how the down payment posting through APP is different than the normal down payment posting, right? So this configurations we have done, right? Now this down payment request is also posted, guys. Now give a date. What is the vendor number, guys? 45. Save it. Run the proposal, guys. Now display proposal. Error is there. Click on here log. Contained in a different proposal, that is 110 TM33A. Press enter once again. So now what is happening, guys? So now look at here. Click on display proposal. It's taking time. Just wait. Okay. Why 12,000, guys? 452, right? Here it is saying multiple invoices. No, no, no. The vendor which I have given is wrong. So once again, delete. And we have this one. 452, right? And here, what is this, guys? Remove the overlap. What is this overlap? 452, right? What is this here? Able to understand. Make it B. Specify a posting date. Actually, by mistake, I have clicked here also, guys. That is why. Type 2. And here is the 452 itself. Just save it. Come here and run the proposal. Start immediately. Okay. So here, why down payment request is not coming, guys? Can I make it overdue? The due one cannot be edited, right? Okay. Now I'll just make it 0.5. Run on different date. Okay. In real time, of course, APP is not going to be run for future date, guys, but I have to make an experiment. So that is why I'm running for future date. Save it. Now if I run the proposal, then what happened? Now it is taking. Okay. So, okay. So might be during configurations, guys, somewhere I might have given even gray stage also. Some reason will be there. So now, okay. So here it is taking the down payment request is also accepted, right? Now go for payment run. Now you come back here. So now look at here, guys. What is happening? So the previous one, the invoice got posted, right? Invoice got posted, right? And then here, the down payment request is replaced by down payment. Earlier, a down payment request was there, right? So down payment request, what is the difference between down payment and down payment request, guys? Someone tell me, based on your understanding, or based on like whatever I've showed you.
Down payment means that we have manually made, sir. Down payment request means we gave the system to notify the down payment. Yeah.
Wait. My question was, and what is the difference between down payment and down payment request? Now repeat again what you can.
Uh, Down payment means we make it manually, sir. Down payment request means notify the system to
Yes,
make the down
we
payment.
make it like down payment you posted manually. Even down payment we have posted through APP also. Any other
Yeah.
answer, guys?
Yeah, the special GL indicators are different.
Okay, okay. Anything else apart from this, guys? Anyone? Anyone want to say something?
So is it like down payment means we have already done, and down payment request means we have raised the request but not yet made,
We have raised the request, but
not yet done.
not yet done. Clarity is not there, dear. Any other answer? It's pretty simple, guys. See, when you post a down payment request, I told down payment request means what? It is not going to update the real account. Down payment request, if you check the reconciliation, say, I'll tell you guys, down payment, right? If you check the down payment reconciliation account, now this amount is updated. But if you check down payment reconciliation account at the time of creation of down payment request, you won't be finding any amount over there. So down payment request is what, guys? It is just a notification, a kind of notification message we have generated. It doesn't have any impact on the reconciliation account. Whereas down payment posting means what? No matter you post down payment through APP or through normal, right? In both cases, what is happening, guys? The reconciliation account is going to hit. The transaction is going to hit the reconciliation account. Okay. So generally what happened? So here, now, so again, I'll come back on my question. My question was, what is the difference between down payment posting by normal transaction and down payment posting by automatic payment program? Tell me. Anyone? The difference between, like, the difference between down payment posted by normal transaction, I mean to say F-48, and down payment posted by F110, automatic payment program.
So one difference can be like in down payment, when we are going to clear the payment, that time we get the notification that this much down payment is already done. But in ABP, this down payment request, we are not getting this notification.
Okay. Any other thing?
Document type is different, sir. Document type.
You guys are still stick to the previous question only that we have left, right? That we have left. Whatever you guys are saying, that is the secondary things, right? But the major is
Okay, sir. Sir, mm, down payment request means it does not update the GL request,
okay, dear.
but down payment means it updates the GL.
Wait, down payment, down payment is going to be posted by F110 and it is going to be posted by F-48. What is the difference between these two? Tell. So guys, this is where most of the people are making mistake. And even if you watch the YouTube videos, I have seen multiple faculties are also making mistake. Not one, not two. There are multiple people, right? So I'll tell you. Generally, the difference between here, if you have to post a down payment through F110, then you have to create a down payment request. Without that, it is not possible to post a down payment. Through F-48, no request. Directly, you can post a down payment. No need to create the down payment request. But through F110, a down payment request must be created. There must be certain input. This is how system will come to know that, okay, for this vendor, I have to post a down payment, right? So first of all, a down payment request must be created. Then only the down payment is going to be posted by system. That is the difference. Now I'll tell you guys. So there is a logic behind this. If you see, there are multiple videos where people cover down payment, manual down payment posting. And there also they say is that we have to create a down payment request first. But the question is why? Why to create a request and then why to post a down payment later, right? So I'll tell you guys, down payment request is going to be set up in case of automatic payment program, right? In manual down payment, no need to post any down payment request. Okay. And what is the logic behind down payment request, guys? The logic behind down payment request is it is a kind of notification. It is a noted item which notify automatic payment program that yes, this much of worth of amount, this much worth of down payment must be posted against so and so vendor. Okay, so that is why down payment request is called noted item, right? But through F-48, it is not required. Why? Because manually it is going to be posted, right? So this is why what happened, guys, if someone has to post the down payment, if we talk about down payment, for every vendor it is not going to be posted. Very limited number of transactions will be there. So instead of posting through APP, people prefer to post the down payment manually. Because here also same, first of all, they must have to set up down payment request. Then only it is going to be selected at the time of APP run. So instead of doing that, why don't you post down payment manually itself? This one is also going to take the same time, right? Now, so this is what the logic behind down payment. So can we post a down payment through automatic payment program? So yes, we can post a down payment through automatic payment program. And what is the difference between posting down payment through APP and posting down payment through normal transaction? I mean to say F-48. So the difference between these two is for automatic payment program, right? First of all, we have to create a down payment request. So this is a notification. It is a noted item. So once we run this APP, system will check this noted item and this down payment request is going to be converted by system into down payment. Whereas for manually, request is not required, right? So this is the difference.